5 accounting firms implicated in South African lottery fund scandal. In a shocking revelation made by South Africa's Special Investigating Unit, SIU, 5 accounting and auditing firms have been implicated in assisting fraudulent nonprofit companies to siphon off millions from lottery funds designated for charitable causes. The scandal, unveiled over a 4-year meticulous investigation, paints a grim picture of professional misconduct and systemic corruption. The firms identified include TTP Consulting, Zada Accountants, Magodi Consulting, Majiba Ntuli Consulting, and Tafta Consulting and Accounting Services. According to the SIU, these companies played pivotal roles as professional enablers, creating fraudulent financial documents that enabled nearly 40 nonprofit companies to illicitly acquire over $314 million in lottery funds. This detailed exposé was presented in a parliamentary session by Zodwa Zisibi, the SIU's acting Chief National Investigations Officer. She outlined how these supposedly reputable firms compiled counterfeit financial statements to secure funding for entities that were often merely shell companies or hijacked organizations with no legitimate charitable activities. This scandal highlights significant vulnerabilities in the National Lotteries Commission, NLC's funding mechanisms, which historically required only 2 years of financial records from applicants. Investigations by media organization Ground Up and the ongoing efforts by the SIU suggest that this requirement was grossly inadequate, enabling widespread manipulation of financial data and misappropriation of funds. Furthermore, the SIU's probe into these matters has been extensive, with current investigations touching on grants worth over $2 billion. The first phase of the investigation has scrutinized dubious grants totaling $280 million, with another $247 million investigated in the second phase. A third phase, set to be finalized by the end of the year, investigates nearly $906 million. The response from implicated firms varies. TTP Consulting, through a director, declined to comment on specific allegations, citing client confidentiality. Majiba Ntuli Consulting no longer exists following the director's death, and Zada Accountants have been deregistered by the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC. The impact of this scandal extends beyond financial loss. It erodes public trust in institutions meant to uplift underprivileged communities through fair distribution of resources. As it stands, the SIU has referred numerous cases to the Hawks and the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, highlighting a robust response to enforce accountability. This issue not only underscores the need for stringent oversight of nonprofit financial activities, but also highlights the crucial role of professional accountability in safeguarding public funds. As the investigations continue, the South African public awaits justice and a reformed framework to prevent such scandals from recurring. Thank you for choosing Satori News.